Welcome back to my channel and happy new month. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys an app that I tested myself to make sure that is legit. In this app, all you do is to scan. So I'm going to break it down for you. In this app, you can earn points that is equal to money or gift cards by walking in, by scanning products, or if you choose to buy any product that you scan, then you earn more points. You must not buy the product. In other words, either you buy or you don't buy the product, you still earn money, which is the most important part. You have the option of gift cards and you have the option of PayPal, but you all know how much I love money. So if I see an app that they pay cash, I'll definitely go with cash rather than gift cards. If I see an app that they give gift cards, okay, I'll go for it if there's no option of PayPal. I use this app for 4 days and you cannot believe how much I have made. You're going to see it as you keep watching this video. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to create your account, the tricks or tips that I made, and I was able to earn money within 4 days using this app. So continue watching without skipping. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. The name of this app is called Shopkick. The first thing you're going to do is to download the app and create an account. Make sure you use my referral code to earn extra points for welcome. Make sure you turn on your location to get your nearest store to earn points. Or you can simply click on while using the app so that your location is on whenever you open the app. Before starting, you're going to see a small demo showing you the points or kicks on how you can get it for each category, but I'm going to show you guys in detail. The sign-in process is super easy, so it's something that you can do within a minute or less than a minute. These are the stores close to me. As you can see, we have scans, receipts, walk-ins. I'm going to explain everything to you. It is so easy to earn points, believe me. If by any chance you did not choose the type of reward you want, you simply click on where it says 440, yours is going to show 0. So you click on it and then you're going to click on change reward type. There are a lot of gift cards from different stores and also PayPal and Google Play. So you choose on whatsoever type of reward that you want them to pay you. Here I chose PayPal because I'm not a good fan of gift cards, so you all know I love my cash. So to choose your desired method of payment, you simply click on the little box below whatsoever gift card or the way you want them to pay you. Another way to check your reward or to change your option is by clicking here where it says reward options. The numbers that you see below each method of payment, that is the gift card or PayPal, are the amount of points or kicks you need in order to qualify for the reward. You can always change the amount you want to reach and make your withdrawal. To change the amount that you love to withdraw, you go to your PayPal if that's your choice. You see $5, $25, and $50. You click on 50 if that's your goal, and then you click on set your reward, and that's it. Same goes to any gift card of your choice if you want to change the amount of your reward. Kicks activities simply show the things you have done and the points you have earned for that particular task. So you can see here videos and videos and videos that I did or watched in order to gain more points. I'm going to choose Walmart to see what items to scan and make money. The store has 1,861 kicks. That means that if you can scan all the products at Walmart without buying any of those products, you earn 1,861 easy points. In order to see more products in the same category, you click on scans. If you click on the product, you will see the complete name of the product, how many points you get for just scanning, and how many points you get as additional if you buy that product. Do not worry, I will show you how to upload your receipt in case you bought any product. Make sure you scan as many products as you can. There are no excuses here, you're already at the location, so why not? Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Share, leave a comment, and like. Thank you. To submit your receipt, you click on the receipt and then you select the product that you bought. And after, you click on the claim list. They will ask you to take a picture of your receipt for proof, and that's it. This is only if you bought a product that you scan. If you did not buy any product that you scan, then you don't have to submit any receipt. All you do is scan and that's it. To check your profile, you click here. You can also link your card to the app in case you buy products after scanning. You won't need to take a picture of your receipt if you decide to link your card. I did not link my card. I don't think I'm going to do that. I prefer to do the first option, which is to take picture of the receipt. The e-receipt is another option for submitting receipts. You can read here as it says. So it shows you how it works. You link your email account for in-store, online, and any other thing. If you forgot to use my referral when you were signing up, you still have the option to do that. You click on have a code and you put my referral code. Do not forget that, guys. Make sure when you're done typing my referral code, you click on apply code. You earn 500 points within 14 days of signing up. If you don't use this app after 14 days after signing up, you don't get any extra points. So make sure when you're about to download this, you know you're going to use it. The notification bell is just as a normal notification. It tells you maybe to check your activities or any announcement in the app. When you get to your goal to withdraw your money, for example, if you use PayPal, make sure you read what it says down here. They have like a 50 kicks, not dollars, 50 kicks to take away as their own type of money. So if your goal is 6,300, make sure you at least have 6,350. So they take away the 50. For online purchases, you click on online and there you will see what qualifies you to get points. So if you're an online lover, then this is another app that you can use if you don't want to go to the store and be scanning. You can earn money just by buying through Shopkick. Let's see what Aldo says. The last page, which is the discover page, is more about videos, little videos for you to watch and earn points. So there'll be like 5 gigs, 3 gigs, sometimes 1. If you want to be watching it and be earning, you can do that if in case you're not going out and then waste like few seconds and earn points. As simple as that. There are some stores that you earn points just by walking in. So if you see any store with the image of walking there in blue, that means if you go to that store, you earn those amount of points. There are also some items that do not give you points for it if you buy those products. Look at this place. It says 25 points for scanning and there is no points if you bought that item. Make sure you always check for walk-ins just to earn more money. Look at all these stores with a lot of cakes available. So make sure you grab this app and start earning money. We need this money and I'm begging you guys to start making money with this app. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to scan. So let's take a product here. So we are going to go with the ice cream. You click on it, you click on scan, you're in front of it, you go to the fridge, you take it, bam, barcode, few minutes or few seconds, we wait for it, and then here we have it, boom, 15 points, just like that. I'm going to show you guys something. You cannot scan just the barcode as under the labels and think that you're going to earn points for it. No, you need to scan the product. It's time for me to show you guys how much I earn in 4 days or within 4 days. I earn $25 scanning product. The tips that I'll give you to earn as I earn within 4 days are: set a goal to scan at least 500 points a day. If you're in a rush, then make sure you scan the product with highest points first. The next tip will be change your location.